welcome back to Isagi Toy Channel, and we are going to be doing lots of cool stuff today. Today we have this cool Galaxy Amazing pink slime we made yesterday. It was 25 hours or 24 hours. 24 hours. It was 24 hours. And it took a little more in the fridge. Here we are. My baby brother's just playing. And we're going to go one by one. So, turn on the lights. A little brighter. It is on, but we need more light. We need more light, by the way. Just turn on that one. A little bit lower. Make it lower. Make it... Never mind. Which one? Oh. No. Oh my god. What is it? Hold on. We're going to turn on the lights even brighter. I'm on this one. I don't want it too bright either because my mom do that one. So, anyways, here we are, and this is our pink slime. But there's a whole bunch of more. So pick the color you want. Blue. Okay. So show them the blue. Talk about it. Say, oh my gosh, it's soft. It's very stretchy. It's very cool. That's true. Yeah. Let's make sure the box over here doesn't. Forget about the box, but don't listen just over here because you cannot see the box. You cannot see the box, guys. So tell us about it. It's blue and there with my hand. So it's blue, but I don't know. It just looks like slimy. Yes, it's very slimy. We added a little clay on there, so it's more like clay now, but it's still a little slimy. We'll stretch it, but I mean, you all can see, and it's pretty cool. So, and it's really colorful, right, Isai? Yeah. So it's really colorful. We're not showing our faces right now because we don't show our faces. Well, I don't. Yeah. Well, I mean, I do, but on my channel, he doesn't show his face. You can always see his face. He doesn't show his face. But anyways, this is very cool. You know, you can shape it as a heart, whatever you guys want. The next color. Okay, pick your next color. What do you want? What next color? Wait, you need to choose a color. I'm gonna choose one. So mine is pink. Mine is really gooey and slimy. When you can break it apart and it looks amazing, girl. It really looks so amazing. I say move your face because they don't want to see your face. Well, we don't want to see your face because it's so cute and you're gonna make people cry. No, it's because we don't want to show the faces because we're kind of nervous. So yeah. We also get toys. Okay, anyways, so this is our video, and anyways, this is our slime. Looks very, very cool, and it's bubbles, but we don't have a straw right now, so in another previous video, if I've seen the previous video, I don't even know if I put it in the but if I did, watch it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, please do, because I only have like 1 subscriber. And my baby brother was here. Now don't show your face. That was my face. And that's your break. Now it's your turn. Pick your color that you're gonna get. Okay, we're gonna pick green. So tell us about it, about the green.
It's so slimy because it sparkles.
And that's all? What did I say? And it, by the way, it has different colors because we put confetti inside it, by the way. So y'all can see the confetti right there. Okay, my turn. Hold on, I'm going to put this. Very amazing, cool slime. It's one of my favorites. And I'm going to pick the slime. Oh, yeah, I'm going to pick the purple one. The purple one is very, very cool. It's really, really, really cool, by the way.
I mean, it's amazing. You all can play with this all day. And it's like really effective. Like, it's so cool. Very stretchy. I mean, really stretchy. And it's really twists. And it's just so amazing. I'm so into this with my slime. I don't know if I have videos of me making all of these galaxy slimes. They're galaxy because they have different colors. By the way, yes, that's it for this video because our merry colors were Sam,
Blue and pink and green and purple.
yes, purple, green, pink, and blue. Well, he said it the other way, but I said it this way. And so yeah, those were our colors for today. And next time we'll use other colors now because I'm gonna make more slimes. So stay tuned, and please make sure to give a like, and please, as I said, subscribe, comment, and bye guys.